Hello, my name is Anne Egrube Vine Cakes. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious vanilla butter-based cake. Okay, this cake is super yummy. It's awesome. And to do this, you just need one 500 gram of an all-purpose flour. You need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half cup of milk, room temperature milk, and what I have here is a buttermilk. Okay, and to do your buttermilk, all you need to do is to take 1 cup of milk, full cream milk, and then you add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it. Okay, that's how I make my buttermilk. And then you have 350 gram of granulated sugar, 10 eggs. Yeah, we have 10 eggs. And then we have unsalted butter. You know, the taste you get when you use butter is super yummy. It tastes different from when you use margarine. Okay, but for this recipe I'm going to do 50% butter, unsalted butter, and 50% margarine. And then you need a mixer. It could be a table mixer or a hand mixer. All right, so we are set. So I'm going to dice my butter. It's been in the fridge, so it's a bit hard. So I'm going to chop it a little, bit by bit. So I'm done chopping the butter. So I'm going to start creaming immediately. Okay, you cream until it is fluffy. I haven't added my sugar. I just want to soften my butter a little before I add up my sugar. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to add up my granulated sugar. Remember, this is 350 grams. Then I continue mixing. This may take a while. Then you just have to be patient until it is nice and it is fluffy. Okay. Our batter is ready. This is good now. Okay, we don't want to over cream. When you over cream, it affects the texture of your cake. So we are going to clean our nozzles and whip our egg. Okay. Wash our wicks and then beat our eggs until it is fluffy. This is okay. You have to be very careful not to over cream your egg or your butter and sugar. Okay, like I said, when you over cream, it affects the texture of your cake. All right, that's why you hear some people complain that their cakes are not are breaking apart. Okay, when you cut with knife, it just falls apart. Over creaming is one of the reasons for that. In fact, it's a main reason for that. When you over cream, you weaken your egg, you weaken your butter, and then it results into loose cake. So we are going to alternate our egg and our flour until everything is incorporated. So at this point, I'm not using my hand mixer anymore. I'm using my spatula to incorporate. The reason is I want to trap in as much air bubble as I can, okay? Some of these procedures are very important. When you ignore them, it tends to affect your final result, okay? We are done incorporating our egg and flour. At this point, we are going to add up our milk, our flavor, and then our baking powder. It smells delicious already. Just cut and fold, cut, fold, cut, fold until you incorporate all your ingredients together, okay? We are ready to bake. I'm going to pour my butter in my baking pans and then straight into the oven. I bake this recipe at 150 degree temperature. Yeah, I bake from 150 to 180, okay? But I don't exceed 180 degree. The reason you don't want it to get so brown, and you want it to cook gradually, okay? When your temperature is not too hot, your oven is not too hot, you get a better texture and a better effect than when you bake in a very hot oven. So we are going to bake at 150 degree to 180 maximum. Okay, thank you. Come back to show you the result of our finished product. Cake is ready. We are just going to flip it over. Wow. Here we are. Okay, it's smells really, 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 really nice. So we're going to cut it open and see what it looks like. Can you see that? This really tastes awesome. This really tastes awesome. I wish I can give you a piece of it to taste. But if you are going to try this, I can assure you that you won't regret it, okay? If you can't afford a butter, you can do just margarine, but you get a better taste when you use butter, okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you have subscribed, please remember to turn on the notification button, the notification bell, so that you get an update as soon as we drop any new video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We always share amazing tutorials, and our subscribers are really supporting us. We appreciate every one of you. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for being a part of us. Stay blessed.